there is something called the same side depth. So say if this is the order book and at the top level, there are 5 orders, 100 quantity each. So the total quantity is 500. So we say that the same side depth on the buy side till level 1 is 500. So depth is basically the cumulative orders or quantity till that level. So depth on the buy side till level 2 is 750. Depth till level 3 on the buy side is 850. Similarly, depth at level till level 3 on the ask side would be 350. Depth is the cumulative quantity till that level. So same side depth till level 2 is 750. Now, something called if whether the order is alone or not. So say at 10, this was the order book at 10:15, an order comes in at 100.1 for quantity 200. Right, trader 1 fires an order of size 200 at 100.1. At this point, because there is no other order at 100.1, here the order is alone. Because there is no other order at the same price, this order is alone at level 1. And obviously the depth till level 1 is 200. So the same side depth for buy side is 200. And this order is alone because there is no other order at 100.1.